Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be working on biology past question 2019 and we'll be solving the 20th question, question 20. It says which part of the flower is responsible for protection of young flower buds? Now, let's let's give a little sketch of the flower just as it is here. We have something like this. Then we have something like this, and this is the petal. This place is the sepal. Now, if the flower has something like this, you can call this the stigma, and then we call this the anther, and here becomes the filament. Now, the question is asking us which part of the flower is responsible for protection of young flower buds. Now, sepal is a defensive organ that encloses and protects the developing reproductive structures. In this case, the developing reproductive structure is the young flower bud. So our answer is sepal. So from my diagram, the sepal is II. This is the sepal. So our answer to this question will be B, II. The part of the flower that is responsible for protection of young flower buds is the sepal. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.